Hi there, how's it going? This is Basement Mitzi, and I'm going to talk about the TSRC A4 foldable portable drone. The price point was around $25, $26. And so far, I'm going to say this drone is pretty cool. I did have some issues with it. One of the setup issues I had was my phone did not fit in the cradle for the remote. So that created a problem where I couldn't actually use the mini camera on the front of the drone. Overall, the drone fly time is really good. I do like the fact that you can do some 360 flips with it with the press of a button, so that's real cool. Having two batteries and extra blades is a very good feature. I did manage to get my camera to work with the hookup. What you have to do is put your phone into airplane mode and then enable Wi-Fi to connect directly to the controller and go from there. So I do have video of that to show. It's limited, so let me see. So far, I'm going to go ahead and give this a rating of 4 out of 5 stars because it is really awesome for a beginner to go through and use. Though I did crash it in the house and multiple times outside, I was able to get it to do a lot of tricks, and it is a fun toy for the price point. It's not like you're gonna wreck a $400 drone, so it's a lot of fun to play around with. If you enjoyed my content, feel free to upvote, like, subscribe, and maybe tell a couple of your friends. I'm out to do some cool reviews, so have an awesome time and take care of one another.